art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Luigi from Mario, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started in the center of our page, and we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle for the nose. Let's draw in our eyes now. So stepping over from the center across, we're going to curve this line around, tucking this over and in on the side. We'll leave another gap right in the middle, moving across to the left, replicating that. Now on the inside for the pupil, stepping down, we're just going to curve this up, around and back in on the side. And then we'll step over on the left, replicating that. Moving in towards the middle for the pupil now, leaving a small gap. We're just going to draw on an arch line on the top. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's add in the highlight here. So right on the top, we're going to draw in a circle. And then now let's just color in our pupil black. Just gonna fix that line there. Now moving underneath, let's draw in a mustache. So we're going to leave a gap and we're going to curve this line out to the side. And then we'll line that up at the same height on the opposite side, replicating that. Now from that point on the side, we're going to curve this over, tucking that around and into the middle. We'll replicate that again on the right. Now moving up for the eyebrow above, we're going to curve this around and down on a diagonal on each side. And now from that point in the corner, just curving this back around and in, connecting that together. Let's draw on the hat, the brim of the hat up above. So connecting these eyebrows together, we're just going to draw on a slight curved line. Now to the left, we're going to replicate that, curving that out. And then we'll replicate that on the right-hand side as well. Now from that point on the side, we're going to curve this over and into the middle. And then we'll continue to drag this line across, curving this around and down on the side. Now closing off the side of the hair, we're just going to curve this around and into the mustache. Stepping over from that corner, we're just going to curve this out. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this back through to the brim of the hat. Let's close off the chin here. So coming down, we're going to curve this line around and into the middle. And then we'll replicate that on the right-hand side as well. And then we're just going to blend that together. Now for the mouth, stepping up, we're going to curve this line across. Dropping down, let's draw in a nice big arch line. Moving up for the teeth, we're going to curve this line across again. And then for the tongue, we're just going to arch that in the opposite direction. Let's draw on the ears. So we're going to draw in a nice big curved line on the left-hand side. So we're going to arch this all the way around, tucking that in on the side. We'll line that up at the exact same height on the right, replicating that. Let's add in the details for the ear. So on the top, we're going to round that out, curving that across on each side. And then coming down, we're just going to draw in a half circle, connecting that into the mustache. Let's frame the hat up above now. So coming over above the ear, we're going to bring this line out on a diagonal, and we're going to start to taper that in as we arch this all the way over and in towards the center. We'll do the same thing on the right. So leaving a gap on the ear, bringing that out on a diagonal, and then starting to round that out, curving that over and in, connecting that together on that top line. Let's draw on the L here now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a straight line coming down. And then we'll close that off on the bottom with another straight line. Let's draw another L up above. So coming over, leaving a gap, we're just going to draw in that second L up above. And then now we'll just flatten that out. So a straight line on the side and then a straight line on the top. Let's draw in a nice big oval around this. So on the left-hand side, we're just going to curve this around, tucking this over, pulling that around and back in on the right. We're going to frame in some more hair behind. So coming down, we're just going to curve this out, tapering that in on a diagonal. And now lining that up at the exact same height on the right, we'll replicate that. Now from here for the neck, we're going to draw in 2 straight lines that come down, ending those at the same height. And then we'll just close that off with a curved line. Now for the shoulders, we're going to round that out, curving that over and down to the left. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, and we'll just end that at the exact same height. Let's flatten this out on the bottom now. So we're going to straighten this out. Let's draw in the straps for the overall. So from each corner here, we're just going to draw in a straight line that comes down. We'll just end that at the same height. Let's round this out on the bottom. So we're just going to curve this around, tucking this over, and then back in on a diagonal towards that shoulder. We're going to curve this in the middle. And then we'll just imagine that this falls through underneath, curving this down to our bottom line. And then lastly, we're just going to add in the buttons. So we're going to add in a circle inside that overall strap. And that is it. That's how you draw Luigi. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.